Why is achieving a perfect credit score so important, and how can you reach it in a short time? In today's world, a high credit score opens doors to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and greater financial opportunities. But getting there can seem overwhelming. Fear not. In this video, we're breaking down a simple, actionable, 7-day plan to boost your credit score effectively. From obtaining and reviewing your credit reports to optimizing your credit mix, we'll guide you through each step with practical tips and insights. Ready to transform your credit score and unlock new financial possibilities? Let's explore this journey together and set you on the path to credit perfection. Day 1. Obtain and review your credit reports. Why is getting a hold of your credit reports the first step towards perfecting your credit score? It's simple. You need to know where you stand to improve. Start by visiting annualcreditreport.com, the official website mandated by federal law to provide free credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian every 12 months. Print out these reports and go through them carefully. Highlight any negative items such as late payments, collections, or other derogatory marks, which might be affecting your score. Ensure all details are accurate because errors can unfairly drag your score down. Note any discrepancies for dispute, as correcting these inaccuracies can have a swift, positive impact on your score. Pay special attention to any outdated or incorrect information that could be dragging your score down unnecessarily. By the end of the day, you should have a comprehensive understanding of your credit standing, pinpointing areas that need attention. This foundational step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the targeted improvements you'll make throughout the week. Starting with a clear, accurate snapshot of your credit profile ensures you can make informed decisions and strategically enhance your credit score. Make sure to keep these reports organized and accessible, as you will be referring back to them throughout the week to track your progress and verify changes. Having this detailed knowledge of your credit history empowers you to take control and make the necessary adjustments to boost your score efficiently and effectively. This step is all about laying the groundwork for a better credit future. Day 2, sign up for free credit monitoring. On day 2, your goal is to set up free credit monitoring services to keep a close watch on your credit health. These services alert you to any changes in your credit report, helping you stay proactive and address issues promptly. CreditWise from Capital One is a great option, offering free monitoring and alerts for changes in your TransUnion report and Vantage score. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to keep tabs on their credit without spending extra money. For those who need more detailed information that lenders use, MyFICO is a top-notch choice. Although it involves a fee, it provides insights particularly useful if you're planning to apply for a mortgage or other significant credit. Additionally, many major credit card issuers offer free credit scores and monitoring services, so check with your card providers to see if this feature is available. Setting up these services ensures you receive timely alerts and can act quickly if there are any unexpected changes to your credit. By the end of the day, you should have at least one credit monitoring service in place, giving you peace of mind and a proactive approach to managing your credit. This step is vital for maintaining a clear and accurate picture of your credit health, allowing you to address potential issues before they escalate. Regular monitoring helps you stay informed and in control, ensuring that you can maintain and improve your credit score effectively. This proactive measure is a key part of your strategy to achieve and maintain a perfect credit score, providing you with the tools you need to succeed. Day 3, focus on payment history. History is the most critical factor in your credit score, accounting for 35%. Today, take a close look at all the late payments highlighted in your credit report. Start by determining if these late payments are accurate. If you find discrepancies, such as payments marked late that you actually made on time, it's important to dispute them immediately. For the late payments that are accurate, consider writing a goodwill letter to your creditors. In this letter, explain your situation and politely request the removal of the late payment record. Creditors are often willing to remove these marks if you have a history of timely payments before and after the incident. To prevent future late payments, set up autopay for all your bills. Autopay can handle the minimum payments, significantly reducing the risk of forgetting a due date. If autopay isn't your preference, set reminders to pay your bills at the beginning and middle of each month. This method ensures you stay on top of your payments and avoid any negative impact on your credit score. By the end of today, you should have a solid strategy in place to manage current and future payments reliably. This proactive approach not only helps you improve your payment history, but also ensures you maintain a good credit score moving forward. Consistently paying your bills on time will significantly boost your credit score, demonstrating to lenders that you are a responsible borrower. This focus on payment history is a crucial step in your journey to achieving a perfect credit score, laying a strong foundation for future financial success. Day 4. Analyze your credit. Utilization. Credit utilization, accounting for 30% of your credit score, is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Today, calculate the total credit limits and balances across all your credit card. Your goal should be to keep your utilization below 30%, with the ultimate aim of getting it under 10%. If your utilization is high, it's time to create a repayment plan to lower your balances. This might involve prioritizing higher interest debts or allocating extra funds toward paying down your credit card balances. Another effective strategy is to request credit limit increases from your credit card issuer. Credit responsibly, which can be beneficial when applying for loans or credit in the future. Reducing your credit utilization is a powerful step in improving your credit score and overall financial health. By focusing on this aspect, you are taking a significant step towards achieving a perfect credit score. This proactive approach not only improves your credit score, but also ensures that you maintain healthy financial habits moving forward. Day 5. Review and optimize your credit mix. Your credit mix, which comprises both installment loans and revolving credit, makes up 10% of your credit score. Creditors prefer to see a variety of credit types, as it demonstrates your ability to manage different forms of debt. If your credit history consists solely of credit cards, consider adding an installment loan, such as a car loan, personal loan, or student loan, to diversify your credit mix. This can enhance your credit profile and improve your score. However, it's important not to open new accounts unnecessarily, as this can lead to additional debt and negatively impact your score. For those with no credit history, starting with a secured credit card can be a prudent choice. A secured card requires a cash deposit that becomes your credit limit, helping you build credit as you use and pay off the card responsibly. Evaluate your current credit mix to identify any opportunities for improvement without overextending yourself financially. Perhaps you can benefit from a small personal loan or a secured credit card to add diversity to your credit profile. The key is to enhance your credit mix strategically, ensuring that any new credit accounts are manageable and aligned with your financial goals. By thoughtfully incorporating different types of credit into your financial strategy, you contribute to a more well-rounded credit profile, which can positively influence your credit score. This step is crucial in creating a robust credit history that lenders view favorably. A diverse credit mix not only improves your credit score, but also showcases your ability to handle various credit types effectively, positioning you as a more reliable borrower in the eyes of creditors. Day 6. Address length of credit history and inquiries. Length of credit history accounts for 15% of your score, while inquiries make up 10%. Today, focus on optimizing these factors. If you're new to credit, ask a trusted family member to add you as an authorized user on their long-standing credit card account. This can extend your credit history and positively impact your score. Be cautious with credit inquiries. Each hard inquiry can temporarily lower your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary and dispute any unauthorized inquiries on your report. Additionally, consider keeping old accounts open, even if you don't use them frequently. The longer your credit history, the better it is for your score. Make sure your credit report accurately reflects the age of your accounts and dispute any errors you find. Day 7. Develop a long-term credit maintenance plan. Congratulations! You've made significant strides in improving your credit score in just 1 week. Now, it's crucial to develop a long-term plan to maintain and continue building your credit. Regularly monitor your credit reports and scores, pay all bills on time, and keep your credit utilization low. Consider setting financial goals such as saving for a down payment on a house or building an emergency fund, and use your improved credit score to achieve these goals. Stay informed about your credit health and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. You've now got a powerful 7-day plan to boost your credit score and unlock financial opportunities. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are key to maintaining your progress. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from FinanceFix Millennials. Share your success stories or any questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.